Travel can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm sharing some clever airport hacks and common mistakes that could save you money, time, and even a lot of stress on your next trip. Stick till the end because some of these tips are game changers you probably never heard of. 1. Parking spot trick. First things first, don't waste time hunting for your car when you return. Snap a quick photo of your parking spot or save its location on Google Maps. It sounds simple, but it saves you a ton of headache after a long flight. 2. Free legroom upgrade. Want more legroom without paying extra? Try this when talking to the gate staff. Be super friendly and let them know you're great at helping during emergencies. Believe it or not, many travelers report getting free upgrades to Exatro seats just by being polite and helpful. 3. Self-check-in saves time and money. Always try the self-check-in kiosk before going to the counter. It's faster, and in many cases, the machine won't flag overweight bags as strictly as staff at the counter do. This little trick can save you both time and extra fees. 4. Avoid overweight luggage fees. Here's a classic. Wear your heaviest clothes and even layer up if you need to. Use a fanny pack, stuff clothes into a neck pillow, or try travel vests with hidden pockets. If you're still overweight, weigh your bag on different airport scales sometimes. They aren't perfectly calibrated. And always carry a portable luggage scale at home so you know before you go. 5. Luggage security. Make your checked bag unique with stickers, covers, or bright tape. Add extra security with zip ties, key rings, or even red ties on the zippers. And always drop an AirTag or GPS tracker inside if your bag goes missing. You'll know exactly where it is. 6. TSA and security. When going through TSA, put valuables in zipped pockets or a fanny pack instead of loose bins. Wear slip-on shoes. Avoid heavy jewelry. And if you qualify, sign up for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry to breeze through lines. Pro tip, sometimes a different terminal has shorter security lines, and you can just walk over to your gate after clearing. 7. Final boarding tips. If your flight looks packed, board early to secure overhead bin space. If it's empty, relax and board later. Need an upgrade? Ask the gate agent if there are last-minute seat deals. And dress neatly, it often helps. For cash, skip airport currency exchange booths. Instead, use an ATM, ideally with a no-fee travel debit card like Charles Schwab. So there you have it, clever airport hacks and mistakes to avoid that can make your trip smoother, cheaper, and way less stressful. Which hack was your favorite? Or do you have your own secret travel tip? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart travel tips. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next flight.